Okay, so I'm back and we're on the other side of the music, so we're gonna try to get y'all some more footage. So we're on the other side and I try to get away from the music for copywriting. We get on this side over here and see what we got. What we got here.
Rich has been telling me.
Can y'all kind of hear in your mind what I'm hearing, like a symphony song? Once again, this is Tank Nation. This is Mr. K31 here. And we just here. I was about to go out and get some more fishing videos, and I came over here at the mall and seen these cars over here, so I went and grabbed the GoPro and try to get y'all some cool footage. So we're gonna try to get some interviews while the music is not. These are just lovely. Aren't these nice? These are really nice.
Hey, you go fast enough to dry off. I don't want to mess up the chrome.
Very nice. Very, very nice. Very, very nice.
I know, right? I know, right?
That bad boy right there. Very nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. Look at these. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. That's a better angle over here. Much better. Much better angle. Much better angle. Much better. We're gonna go up. We're gonna go up. I apologize for the up and down. Y'all know how y'all doing. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. So this is a much better. Much better, much better, much better, much better, much better. There it is. And we over at the Edgewater Mall.
638 and 566.
So hopefully I wasn't too blip blary. Not much to say, but just enjoy the view. Like, share, subscribe. Be great. Boop, boop.